Okay.
Hi, you are Mrs. Loison, right?
Yes, I am. I like your dress up. I hope we have a lot of time to entertain each other. I hope so, but I guess we have a big chance to meet. Are you alone? You can join us if you want. We are so interested to know you.
She's right. Well, I